I'm going 15, 17 miles an hour. My speedometer is showing 30. In this video, I'll show you how to fix that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be fixing two things. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna fix one thing and actually testing another thing. I got myself a nice little microphone setup, so I'm gonna be testing that. Hopefully that works well and the audio comes out great on the channel, and we'll finally have a proper vlog situation happening over here. That would be great. Hopefully there's not a lot of wind. It's actually kind of windy today. If there is some wind on this video, then I apologize. I'll try to fix it next time, but I'm doing my best to make sure there's no wind. But what we're here for is actually to fix this speedometer. If you're running the KO Moto controller and you got the KO app, look at this, it's showing 20 when over here it's showing 27, so that's completely off. So we're gonna fix that today. All right, let me just pull up over here in the shade so you guys can see my speedometer, right? But yeah, it's completely off, so let's do this. Take off this glove so I can access my thing. So not only it's giving us the wrong reading here, it's actually adding more miles to the bike than we're actually riding. So what we want to do here is head over to the KO Moto app. Obviously your bike has to be on. Once it's connected, we want to go over the menu and slide over all the way to the right to controller, and it's under OEM speedometer. If you click on that, see, sets the speed shown on the OEM speedometer. This number represents your tire and sprocket size combination. Try different numbers to set the correct speed. So it comes with the tune comes on 9, but to fix this we want to go to 6. I found that 5 and 6 are the closest. If they had like a 5.5, it would have been perfect, but 6 so far seems like the right one. You know what, let's test both. We'll test 5, hit save, and actually let's do another thing. We'll go to power, and under EP mode, in order to get this right, so we're always at a constant speed, let's go real quick to about 2000 RPM. Alright, so 2000 RPM, we'll save that. I know it's slow. This is just for us to test the speedometer and see that everything works right. Go back to dashboard, go back to our Speedo app, and let's see what 5 does. So I'm on EP mode right now. This is 5. So there we go. It locked us in about 14 miles an hour, and it's showing 12 on the speedometer, 13 on the speedometer, I guess 12. So we're about 2 miles per hour off, which isn't as bad as before. But let's give it another shot and see what 6 does. Open this up again, go to menu, go all the way to controller, and let's go to 6 and hit save. Got that beep. All right, let's try this again. Oh yeah, so this is almost dead on. So 14 miles an hour, 13 on the GPS, or 14. There we go. This shows 15, 14, but pretty much 14 and 14. Looks like we fixed it. Let's see what happens if we switch to sport mode and go a little faster. Yeah, 23, 24, dead on. So number 6 is where it's at. All right, so in order to fix that situation, you definitely want to go to number 6 right there. Look at this, we got a green light. I'll take that. And this is also for if you're running 1919 for the tires. Right now I'm running 1919. If you were to change your sprocket or change your tire size to, let's just say 16, obviously you're going to want to play with that number again. I do have my 16-inch from Milk Racing waiting at the house, which, by the way, guys, I highly recommend milkracing.com. Check them out. I am an ambassador, which means you get a discount if you use code VOLTED. It's a great company out of Poland. The shipping is fairly quick. Once you order it, their prices is amazing. and you would help your boy out and the channel if you do. I know some people already use my code. It doesn't tell me who. I don't know if they're a repeat viewer or not, but if you are and you're watching this, then you know who you are, and shout out to you. Appreciate you guys helping the channel. But let's go. I'm just coming over here to the post office real quick just to drop off a few packages. Appreciate you guys tagging along. I'll show you what the inside of the post office looks like. But yeah, guys, so this is the Sur Ron right now. Situation update on the channel. I am still waiting for my Shy battery to arrive. It's literally been a month. I guess they're super busy as a company. That brand is really blowing up, which is amazing for them, you know. Last time I ordered my Shy battery, it took about a month to get here already. So hopefully within a week or two I'll have my battery, which will be amazing. We can go exploring more. Thank you for tagging along. Yep, this is the post office right here. We got priority mail. Boop. And we got... What's up, brother? How you doing? Cool. So we got that out of the way. It's just amazing. I feel like one of those Sur Ron DoorDash kids. You know what I mean? It's funny. Hey, I am mad. Get your money. So yeah, finally we got the speedometer fixed. I hope that helps out you guys. Again, like I said, this is for the 1919. And we are also testing out this microphone situation. And hopefully there's not a lot of wind. It's super windy out today. So this will be a great test. If it stands up to this, then we'll start using that. But it is super windy right now. But yeah, guys, just wanted to shoot a quick little video to test my microphone. Hopefully it is great. If there is a little bit of wind, I apologize. We'll fix it next time. And to show you how to fix the speedometer. So I really hope that helped you guys out, and if it did, definitely make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It's like the fuel to the fire for me to keep on going and giving you more content. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.